Hello, good morning everybody. I hope you have a good morning. Today is the 19th of January. So we're going to start our analysis with the chart on our screen. This is called, the reason I'm starting from this is because it looks really good. So the first thing I'm seeing on this chart, this is a 30 minutes chart. We do have a very good level here. This is like some support. If we add another one here, you can see we had like a support level. We have a support, there is this breakout. The price pulled back and came back to the same place. As we're speaking now, the price is struggling within 1839.43, 1837.62. So we basically expect price to continue down. We expect price to continue down from where the price is now up to this support. And in case the price moves to the upside, that is, if the price moves upwards to this point, then this will be a good place to look for a sell from. So we'll have a sell here. We had a sell position at this price. We had a sell position at this price. We had another sell at this price. We had another sell at this price. We had another sell at this price. And as we're speaking now, we anticipate a sell when the price gets back to this point. So those are the places where if the price can come back up to, then they're going to be the correct places to look for a trade from. Does that make sense? Whatever we are saying now, does it make sense? That we want price to continue up to the trend line which we have at the very top. This will give us an ideal place to look for a sell from. So the next chart has to look at SP500. So SP500 too is upwards, although you can see that the price basically moved down. We are still upwards. If you check the daily chart, you'll see what I'm saying. Look at how perfect we had an active uptrend. If we drew a range, we have this, the lower one, and then we have another one from the top. So this is like we're having a wedge formation which has just been broken. As long as the price remains above the upper line, I mean after this breakout, we do expect a continuation upwards. We expect price to continue to the upper side, especially up to this resistance level, this one. So a break and a close beyond 3829.0 will mean we are continuing even higher. So we just want price to continue up, break above that level, retrace back, and then continue massively to the upper side. That is what we expect to be happening. So if the price can successfully sustain itself above the 3 indicator lines, then those are the correct places to look for a trade from. If the price can sustain itself above the 3 indicator lines, then those are the correct places to continue looking for a trade from. We basically want a breakout above 3829.0 so that you can continue buying it even higher. The next chart is Brent oil. So Brent oil also is, if you check the daily, you can see whatever I'm saying. There are levels here. We do have a level there. We do have another level there, and then we have a resistance. These are the places where if the price can pull back to, then they're going to be the correct places to look for a trade from. First we have 46.847, then we have 52.198, and then we also have 56.990. We have another level here. So should the price pull back nicely up to this point, then this will be a good place to buy from. Otherwise, there is also another level here. If the price continues up and breaks beyond 56.914, then that would mean we are continuing upwards up to 58.928. That makes whatever we are saying. So if it makes sense, you to tell me. If it doesn't, also make opinion on that. So that GBPUSD. This one. So this chart is really interesting. It's an upward trend, but it is consolidating in an upward manner. We have from this point here, there's this big move up, there's a correction, we have a big move up, we have a correction, there is a big move up, there is a correction, a big move, a correction, a big move, and a correction, and then there is this big move to the upper side. So as it is now on this chart, we are still upwards, especially because the previous candle, which is this, the daily candle, is actually a pin bar candle. So what it indicates is that we are still upwards, and first we expect price to break beyond this level, 1.3682.6. if the price crosses above that level, then that would mean we are now continuing even higher. Even higher. So the idea would be to pick a buy position when the price breaks and crosses beyond that level. That is, if the price breaks above this line, 1.36826, then we simply want a pullback before we can continue to the upper side. This will be a good place to buy from. This will be a good place where we want to look for a buy from. So the next chart I want to look at is Euro USD. So Euro USD is bearish. We are in a downward trend. I want us to look at these levels. This is the level of significance, this one here. If the price can pull back nicely up to somewhere around 1.21, 1.21, then this should give us the ideal place to look for a sell. We also have another level here, and then we have another level at this price. So this is the correct price. So if the price can pull back nicely up to this point, 1.21587, then that would give us the correct place to sell from. That is the correct place to look for a sell from, expecting price to move down first up to 1.20750, and then the next level is